Hello everyone, this is Group 14 of IT Department GRIT Batch 2013. Our project is blind stick using GSM and ultrasonic sensor under the guidance of Assistant Professor Mrs. K. Archana ma'am. Blind stick is a stick designed for visually disabled people for improved navigation. This existing system is the use of a white stick as a tool for directing them when they walk or move. This may be a big problem of danger when they walk on stairs or streets by themselves. The advancement in this system is the ultrasonic sensor, which is added to help them detect any obstacle while walking. This only feature may not be more helpful for them. Hence, we proposed a system to solve the problem. We designed a prototype of a blind stick which consists of a GSM unit, that is, Global System for Mobile Communication Unit, that helps in sending messages. This message consists of the coordinates where the stick is present, and this is done through the use of the GPS unit, which is Global Positioning System. RF module is also added, which helps in finding the stick when lost. Thus, this system allows for obstacle detection, GSM, and finding the stick when lost. Now let's discuss about the hardware requirements and the modules used in the project. We used the Arduino module, which is the Arduino Uno board. We used an ATmega 328 board. It contains of analog and digital pins. The analog pins of A0 to A5 and digital pins from 0 to 13. The codes are dumped into the Arduino board and are run for execution. We have USB plug here and the external power supply to supply 5 volts to the Arduino board. The 0 digital pin and 1 digital pin are always for serial out and serial in. We have a reset button to change over the code whenever we have the power supply pins, which are reset 3.3 volts, 5 volts, ground and VIN. These help in connecting for this is the ATmega 328 microcontroller. This is an ultrasonic sensor. This is used to detect objects. This is connected to analog pins of the Arduino kit. Ultrasonic sensors generate high frequency sound waves and evaluate the echo, which is received back by the sensor. Sensors calculate the time interval between sending the signal and receiving the echo to determine the distance to an object. The module which we will be using has 4 pins, which are VCC, ground, trigger and echo. VCC and ground are connected to the power supply. Trigger and echo are used as the input-output pin to trigger the signal. This is the transmitter of the ultrasonic sensor and this is the receiver of the ultrasonic sensor. This is a GSM module. We used SIM900A module. The GSM module consists of a slot where we can insert the SIM card of the blind person. This way, it can be helpful in sending messages whenever button is pressed. It also consists of a reset button. As we only transmit, the transmit button is always not used. Only the receiving buttons and the VCC and ground pins are used. This is the GPS module. The module is basically where the decoding of data is done, and this data is sent by the satellites into the GPS, which contains the position, speed and other information of the device. Here we require only the position, and hence this can be obtained by the latitude and longitude values. The latitude and longitude values are sent to the Arduino board through the connections which are done via the GSM module. The GSM module helps in sending messages and adds the longitude and latitude values to the message. Now, let us look into the execution. Before starting, we should see that proper connections are given. The power supply for Arduino board is given from a PC or the laptop. The input, output, VCC, ground and 5-volt pins must be connected properly, else it can lead to the crashing of the code or the kits may be spoiled. It is better to arrange as segments of modules, that is, ultrasonic sensor, GPS GSM module and the RF module. Let us look into the working of the ultrasonic sensor. The ultrasonic sensor is used to detect objects. This is a buzzer which is attached to the ultrasonic sensor and buzzes when an obstacle comes near to the sensor. The sample object which I have taken is a box. Now let us look at the working of it. Coming to the GSM and the GPS module. The GSM module contains a SIM of the blind person. This SIM has few contacts in it as well. If the person wants to send a message in an emergency, he can send a message through the GSM module. The GPS module takes in the location, that is the current location of the stick, and then attaches the longitude and latitude values to the message. Let us see what are the values. We can see the values of location, date and time. This will enable us to know the locations. These are the locations, that is longitude and latitude values. These are added to the message and sent to the saved contact number. Now let us see what the message is. On pressing a button, a message is sent. We have received the message. Now let us look at this. We have received the message with latitude and longitude values. These values help us in finding out the location. These can be attached into the maps and then we can find out the location of the blind person. This is the RF module. The RF module is used to detect the stick when it is lost. The RF module is often used for various purposes, but now we use it for this one. We use a 433 MHz frequency. RF means radio frequency. It is often difficult for a blind person to find a stick when it is lost, and hence we use the RF module in a different way for him to find out the stick. This is a switch which on pressing sounds a buzzer where the blind person can find the stick. A prototype of such a blind stick can be really helpful in designing the blind stick. Hence, we can see how useful it can be using the ultrasonic sensor, the GSM GPS module and the RF module. A blind person can be tracked by his friend whenever in an emergency. He can detect the objects using the ultrasonic sensor as well. Thank you.